Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G21 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up settings. From here, navigate to storage, click on your SD card, choose what you want to open it with. I'll be selecting files. Tap on the three dots right here, navigate to storage settings, and here you'll find format option. Once you press on it, it gives you a message that formatting will remove everything from the card, and if there's anything on it that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made the copy or you simply don't want to, click on Format SD Card. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple of seconds to finish up, and it should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.